It was raining heavily just now. Now still drizzling. It's always good to go out after the rain. The weather is unpredictable. Sometimes raining, sometimes sun. So this is so good. So the weather is so nice and cool. It's mostly cloudy. I think going to rain again. Today is a rainy day, but the birds are still active. So just now I saw the collared kingfisher is attacking the egrets. This area is really very beautiful. If you wait here, you can see a lot of the birds activities. So the birds are fighting. They are snatching the food. Now I can see the two kingfishers are fighting each other. So it's really beautiful. It's the birds are very active. Few collared kingfisher around this area, which is very beautiful. Now the collared kingfisher is quite near to me.